Hey all, just a quick video to explain to you what a mapping diagram is and how it relates to functions and how you can determine if a mapping diagram's relation demonstrates a function or not. So this right here is a mapping diagram. It's simply some input values in order from least to greatest, some output values in order from least to greatest. It could be called domain and range. It could be called X and Y. Those all mean the same thing. These mapping diagrams display ordered pairs. So it's just another way to display ordered pairs. The arrow connects the input to the output, or the X to the Y. So as you can see in this mapping diagram, we have the input value 10. It maps to the output value of 15. So that's the ordered pair 10, 15. The input value 20, its arrow takes you to the output value of 45. So the ordered pair is 20, 45. The input value 30, its arrow takes you to the output value of 25. So its ordered pair is 30, 25. And finally, the input value of 40 takes you to the output value of 35. So its ordered pair is 40, 35. So is this mapping diagram a function? Well, in looking at these ordered pairs, the inputs, each input has exactly one and only one output. The input value of 10 only maps to or has an output value of 15, no others. The input value of 20 only maps to or only has an output value of 45, no others. The input value of 30 only maps to 25, and it's the only one. The input value of 40 only maps to 35. So because every input has only one output, this mapping diagram displays a function. Here's what one looks like when it doesn't. Here we have a mapping diagram. The left are my inputs or my X values, aka the domain. The right are my output values or my Y values, aka the range. Again, I'm going to create ordered pairs for my mapping diagram. My input value is 0, maps to -2. So that's the ordered pair 0, -2. But notice the 0 has two arrows or two lines coming from it. Therefore, the input value of 0 also maps to 1. So that's the ordered pair 0, 1. The input value of 1 maps to 2, 1, 2. The input value of 2 maps to the output value 1, 2, 1. And the input value 3 maps to the output value of 4, so the ordered pair is 3, 4. So now again, I'm looking to see, do any of my input values have more than one output value? Well, it does. If I look carefully right here, because I have an input value of 0 twice. Let's try that again. There we go. My 0 repeats. When I input a 0, not only do I get a -2, but I also get a 1. Therefore, this mapping diagram is not a function. The input value 0 has two output values, 1 and -2. Therefore, it is not a function. Now you have an assignment called Is It a Function Day 2? Please be sure to go back and check the corrections I made to your work on Is It a Function Day 1 prior to completing Is It a Function Day 2, so you don't make the same mistake again. If you have not completed Is It a Function Day 1 yet, you need to complete that and wait for me to evaluate it and send you back corrections prior to completing Is It a Function Day 2. So your Is It a Function Day 2 assignment includes 2 tables, 2 graphs, and now also 2 mapping diagrams to determine if they're functions. You guys did a great job making sure you have reasons for each one. Just let's be more careful on what those reasons are. They really should look very similar, if not exactly like mine. Good luck.